Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix enhancement failed errors in Remini. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to make sure that you are using the stable internet connection. You can switch from Wi-Fi instead of mobile data for stability, or you can open any one of the browser and in the search bar, you can search for internet speed test and you can click on this run speed test and make sure that your internet is stable and you're using internet which is more than 20 mbps per second. The next thing which you can do is try to restart the application once. How you can do that is go to the settings of your phone. Once you are on the settings, go to the search icon, search for Remini application under apps. And here you can once click on force stop at the lower right corner. And post that you can again try to open this application and check if it's work. The next thing which you can do is go to the storage section and clear the cache of the application once. The last thing which you can do is you can make sure that your Remini application is up to date. For that you need to go to the Play Store, or you can go to App Store if you are using the iPhone. Go to the search bar and search for Remini application. If you get an option of update here, make sure you click on that update and update the application. So these are the ways in which you can fix this error. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.